Hello everyone, Olena here with another episode of Speedy Tips and Reviews. And today we're going to be discussing my Amazon purchases that I've done on magnetic eyelashes. So I have two different types for you today. There is this one here, and this one here on Amazon is $23.99. And it's the double magnetic eyelashes. So it's the one where you put one on the top and one on the bottom, and it's supposed to clip in between your natural eyelashes. And so I'm gonna be reviewing that. And then this one here is the magnetic eyeliner. So you just put the magnetic eyeliner on and then you put the eyelashes over top, and they're supposed to just stay there. So this one here is $14.99 on Amazon. And again, guys, I'm not sponsored. I just purchased these myself and then I review them for you to give you guys, you know, like kind of a basis of what it's all about and whether, you know, I like it or not. And the links to these products are going to be below. So if you want to go and purchase them, you just click on it and it will direct you right to them. And then I am going to go to the mirror and show you how I put these on. So I've already gone ahead and put on just regular eyeliner onto this eye because this is the one that I'm going to be doing the double magnetic eyelashes on. So this is what they look like. They come in, I lost the packaging for this. It looked way nicer. There was like this pretty box that it came in, but it comes with this spoolie, so like, you know, to kind of separate them. And then this is a magnetic like device that you can put them. I have tried these already and I find that this doesn't work very well because the magnets of the eyelashes kind of, they attach onto these bits and then they just stick there and I can't get them off. So anyway, what we're gonna be doing is, I think I'm gonna try the middle ones. So they come in, you can see there's top left, bottom left, and then top right, bottom right. So we're gonna be using the top left and bottom left. Now guys, to be perfectly honest, I have tried this before and I don't like them because they take forever, like to put on. And then you kind of have to figure out like a really good technique or method. And I know people have done this before where they figured this out, but you know, that's gonna go like that. And then this is gonna go over top. So they clip like this. They clip like that. See how they're like magnetized? And then this is supposed to go on the bottom. And then this is supposed to go on top. And like, guys, you know, that's that's the best I can do, to be honest, because every time I try, they'll clip in on one end and they won't clip in on the other. So like, I've seen like reviews and like tutorials on people doing like one, like, you know, the edge first and then going in. And I've also tried that and it just doesn't work, you know? So let me try that again one more time. So you take the bottom and then you clip that. See, and then the ends, like they just clip in. Look, watch. Do you see that? And I try to clip in the end, but the other edge goes up. I know I look really weird right now doing this, but it is what it is. You know, I'm doing this for you guys, so. Nope, see? And I need to reverse it again. Let me try. Why do I have to open my mouth? I've tried so many times, you guys, to do this, and quite frankly, I don't like this product. I don't have the time. Who has the time? I would rather put on fake eyelashes, you know, because it takes me less time. The whole point that I purchased these in the first place was I thought it would save me some time. You know, clip, clip, done, you can go. But I would rather just put on fake eyelashes with the glue, with this one. So this, guys, thumbs down, honestly, thumbs down. Plus it's $23.99, you know. So we're gonna go on to the next one. So the magnetic eyeliner one looks like this. And so it comes with the eyeliner, looks like that. Open it up and got, you know, looks just like a regular liquid eyeliner. And it comes with tweezers again. I'll put that off, these tweezers. And I don't use these because you can honestly just like put it on and it will stay there. So I'm gonna put this on really quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put on the magnetic eyeliner. And so I put it on my right eye, looks like that. And it dries pretty quickly. The only thing about this is that it's pretty sticky. So like as you're applying it, right? And then it dries down, it's not sticky anymore. But if you're not good at putting on liquid eyeliner, then I wouldn't recommend this. This is probably not for you. But if you're good at it, then yeah, this product is really great. And then, so these are the options that you have. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the second ones because I feel like I just want a little bit of like more oomph, you know? So, this one here, gotta make sure I got the right ones. Yeah. So pretty much all you do is you just plop it on and it just stays there, guys. Just make sure you get all the corners and voila. You see that? I'm gonna try the other ones. These ones are a little bit too oomphy for me. But if you want something less dramatic, you literally just take it off and you put these ones on. And there you go. See? I actually prefer these ones because they're not as crazy. Now, I know you guys probably noticed, but at the beginning, I did put a layer of mascara on, and that's because I didn't want to put mascara on after I put the fake eyelashes on or the magnetic eyelashes on, because I just don't want to ruin them. And it looks better this way. So I'm gonna go and do the other side and then I'll be right back. So this is the final result. Looks like that. So I put the magnetic eyeliner on both eyes and put the eyelashes on. And as you guys can see, they look great. Like, they don't look crazy and they look very natural. If you want a thinner eyeliner, you can also do that. Just make sure that when you put the eyeliner on, it's just thinner. I did it a little bit thicker today just because I wanted a bit of a more dramatic look. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So this one, the two magnetic eyelashes, the ones that clip together, I give that a thumbs down. And the eyeliner, the magnetic eyeliner ones, I give a thumbs up. I prefer these. These are super quick. As you guys saw back when I was at the mirror, I did them, like, it took me like under a minute to do. Just put the eyeliner on and you plop them on and you're good to go. This one just takes, like, I don't know how to use it. If you guys know a way that I can do this better, just let me know, like, just put it down in the comments below and I can maybe give this another try, but I just don't have the time to like figure it out. You know, I have like a 1-year-old daughter and I need to keep up with her and I need to be, let's go, go, go. So if you're like me and need to go, 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 these ones are better. And I will link both of these products down below for you guys. So if you wanted to give them a try, you can. And that's all for today on Speedy Tips and Reviews. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to make sure that you are notified when my next video is up and loaded. And you guys all have a good day. Bye.